no matter what, by the time you graduate my program, you're going to learn about food, you're going to learn about culture, learn about math, science, and history. It might be food related, but you know what? I know that whatever I teach you as a skill, you're always going to carry that for the rest of your life.
Many of these programs are going to teach you life lessons, like automotive. You're always going to have a car. You're always going to need to fix a car. Healthcare providers, we're always going to need healthcare providers. Culinary, it gives them a skill for the future. You can always work in a kitchen. You know, even if you go to college, you can work in a kitchen. If you decide not to, you can always go and start in a kitchen and work your way up.
So a lot of these programs are teaching entry-level skills to our high school students. Not just book work. It's a lot of live skills. We have a full cafe. We have a cafe inside the program that where the kids get to cook and serve food. We do catering business. We have a catering business that we do a bunch of different events and stuff like that. So one of the great things or the great benefits about joining the Career Center is the fact that the students themselves get to learn a job skill.
We try and do the basics so that we can build them up so that they get more and more confident. So by the time they are seniors, they're going to competitions, they're getting their search safe manager, which is great for the students that go out into the real world and want to get a job.
First thing they learn about is sanitation. That's the most important part. Safety and sanitation, learning about temperatures and cleanliness and stuff like that. A lot of the kids join the program because it's something that they like to do. That's one of the great things about joining the Career Center. It's not a forced class that they have to take. The kids choose to be in our program. A lot of students that are very shy, very very reserved. And have students that enter my program year one are very quiet, very reserved. By the time they become seniors, they're more outspoken, they're more interactive with their other classmates. They build a friendship and a companionship, not only from the culinary standpoint, but also from the front of the house. We're teaching you how to wait tables, how to deal with customers. Customer service is very important. So even the students that are very shy and reserved, they learn little by little that they need to be able to communicate with their guests, so it helps them communicate with people better.
The energy is amazing. The whole tech is like its own little entity. We're like our own little island. We all get along really well. They start off, we kind of give them each little section of the dish that they're going to be doing. Chef Paul goes one way, I go another way usually, and we divide and conquer kind of thing.
One of the things is everybody works together, and we break them up in different groups. So one day you're in a group with maybe three or four students that might be, like I said, one might be an athlete, another one might be a bookworm, another one might be a little rambunctious. But at the end of the day, they kind of work together. And it makes it fun. And the best part about it is the instant gratification. When you finish cooking that product or you learn how to cook something and people taste it and they like it, that gratification creates confidence in you and it makes you want to do better. And food is a connection. Food, binds cultures together. And when I meet students that are from different cultures and different backgrounds, I'm able to connect with them, especially if they weren't born here or if English is their second language.
It gives you a sense of just how big the world is and how it's at your fingertips. We have Skills USA, which if the students do well enough in that, they get full scholarships to go to college. A lot of my seniors work at restaurants now, and they get a great sense of pride because they can tell everybody that they're in the culinary program.
Well, one of the great things about joining the culinary program or any of the programs at the Career Center is the fact that they're going to gain a skill. They're going to, they're going to gain knowledge that's going to carry them, into the future.